Hey everybody, D Fish here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. I want to talk about a simple concept that you can use to be more effective on LinkedIn when you're using it for business development. Whether that's marketing, sales, prospecting, building customer relationships, anytime you're trying to move business forward using LinkedIn, this is a concept to keep in mind. There's really three pillars that go into using LinkedIn effectively. And you can dive in deep to any of these three pillars. But I want to look at it from the top to make sure that you've got at least your eyes on each of these areas. Because if you miss one, you're kind of out of luck. And you got to go in this order too. The first is your presence. So I'm going to call this your LinkedIn profile. So many people do not have good profiles still to this day. Apparently, I'm not doing a good job talking about it, even though I'm talking about it all the time. You've got to have a good LinkedIn profile that speaks to the services that you provide for the people that you serve, how you help people. You've got to speak in a customer-centric way. And you've got to have a good-looking profile because everything else on LinkedIn is going to point back to that. So that's one. You've got to have a good profile. You have to have a good presence. Second pillar, you have to have a network. You have to connect with people who want to engage with you and who want to listen to what you have to say, and conversely, who you can listen to what they say. So make sure that you are reaching out, that you are not spamming people, but that you are intelligently and strategically building up your LinkedIn network with both the people that you already know and the people that you aspire to know and that you aspire to have know you. And then thirdly, there's the content and there's the sharing of your content. Now, when you're networking with people in Pillar 2, part of that's going to be engaging with what they're sharing, right? But we need to put our own content out there. We need to be sharing our perspective, our experience, our expertise, and letting people know how we can help them on a regular and consistent basis. So those are the three pillars that you really need to put into place to be successful using LinkedIn for business development. And the question I have for you is, on a scale of 1 to 10, how are each of these, right? And hopefully they're 10s across the board. But my guess is you're probably good in one, maybe two, and one's a little lacking. Well, that's where you need to put some attention in, because if you're just, like putting out a ton of great content and your profile stinks, it's not going to be helpful for you. So look at those three areas, figure out which one you need to improve in, and then go out and get some help. All right. And by the way, if you need some help on one of those areas, feel free to reach out. Follow me here on LinkedIn. Go to my website, davidjpfisher.com. I have a newsletter where I share information on these areas, as well as business development, sales, and networking tips. And hopefully that'll help you out. I would love to have you in our community. So that's it. Have a great day. Bye.